Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how to fix YouTube not available in this reason. In order to fix YouTube not available in this reason, you could use a reliable VPN like NordVPN, ExpressVPN to connect to a server in an allowed country. So basically this means the following application is restricted in your country, and there's some reasons as well. So you could try using a VPN, however that's not a completely reliable source, but you could go with a reputable VPN like NordVPN or any other VPN that you have, and try checking whether you'll be able to see or whether you'll be able to access YouTube or not. Now other than that, what you could do is you could simply use the browser version of it. If that is not available, then it means the following application won't be available anyhow, or you might have to use a different Google ID with a different Google location that might be able to solve your issue. But none of these procedures seems to be reliable, so try using a VPN or a reputable VPN. That should definitely help you out. So with that, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.